What's the importance of surface repair? You know those chips, scratches, cracks, and excessive peeling on your vehicle? If left untreated and exposed to the elements over time, such damage will get progressively worse. Let's take a look. Early on, fine cracks, called microchecking, begin to appear on the surface. A few years later, cracking starts to penetrate the top coat. Before long, your paint begins to peel down to the bare metal, ultimately ruining your paint job. At Maaco, our estimators examine your vehicle and suggest condition repairs. And we offer affordable surface prep options that ensure your makeover looks great. Our most basic light chip and scratch repair option eliminates most chips and scratches caused by normal wear and tear. More extreme conditions may require the excessive chip and scratch repair option. This includes extra sanding to remove heavy chipping in areas such as header panel, hood, and behind wheel openings. For paint failures such as cracking, delaminating, or peeling, we recommend our paint removal option, stripping your vehicle down to the bare metal. A little surface repair before the paint goes on can ensure it holds that gloss and shine for years to come.
Maaco, Canada's body shop.